I am Chef Sandeep Dua. The dish which I am making now is samosa. It is the most favorite North Indian snacks.
This recipe has 4 main parts: dough, masala, filling and frying. Watch the video till the end to master the technique of samosa making. First we will make a dough, so let's start. We have taken refined flour, oil, ajwain and salt. First we will add salt, ajwain and oil. I am adding 50 gram of oil in 400 gram of refined flour. This ratio is very important for making crisp and golden color samosas. After this stage, I'll start kneading it with the water and make a hard dough. Just remember, we should always add less water, which is just enough to make our dough. Now I have kneaded to the hard dough. You can see the texture inside. It is hard. You see the texture inside. Here I have taken out my dough on the table to knead it well, because it is hard, so we need to press it properly or knead it properly. See, it is hard. Now my dough is ready. I'll keep it for 15 minutes resting. I have properly covered it. You may also cover it with the wet duster or cloth. Till my dough is resting, I'll make samosa ka masala or samosa masala. Here I have taken some oil in the pan. Now I am adding coriander seeds. Just crush it between your palms and then add. Now add some saunf, some jeera. The combination of these 3 ingredients gives best flavor to our samosa stuffing. Add some ginger, chopped green chilies and cook it for a minute. Now very quickly I'll add turmeric powder and red chili powder and mix it well. Mix it well. Now add the main ingredients of the stuffing, that is potato. I have taken boiled potatoes, cutting into the dices and add it to our masala. Add green peas to make aloo matar samosa. Add salt and mix well. Roughly mash it with the spoon. We don't want to completely mash, just keep some pieces and keep some mash. Here our stuffing is ready. I'll add amchur powder and coriander leaves. Mix it. Switch off the flame and mix it. Take out the masala in a plate. The masala should be completely cool before stuffing. Now make the dough sheets. First make the balls and then roll it with the rolling pin. The dough is hard, so it will require a little force. Try to form the edges. From the edges press hard like this. Now cut the sheet into 2. Now we will do the very important part, filling of samosa. I am applying some water. Fold this from the one corner and then from the another and just make a pocket of it. When pocket is ready, fill it with the stuffing, press it and then again apply some water on the edges and do the fold like this and close the edges. this fold is very important. Now place it on the table. It should be standing like this. Now we will deep fry our samosas. Remember, we want to make crisp and golden color samosas. For that, the temperature of oil is very important. The oil should not be hot, and keep the kadhai on high flame so that it will cook slowly and from inside.
ठीक है, ये हटा दे।
Now our samosas are ready. You can see the color. It is golden color. I'll take it out in the basket. I'll break one samosa. You can see it is very crisp. The outer shell is thin but crisp. Serve it with some imli chutney or some green chutney and chai.